Training centers are now open, so in case you want to attend, the workshop is happening tomorrow in Thane, Goa, Pune and Nagpur this week. So please call the numbers given here and you can attend the workshops. We are also launching our CAT 21 program. So in case you want to join the program, this Monday we are launching our new batch in which we will be covering up the full syllabus, 150 days to CAT 21 and CD 22, 21. You can just call the numbers here. And if you want to attend the demo lecture, so we connected demo lecture for quant, verbal and DI logic. So please call the numbers in case you want to attend the demo lecture. Hi guys, this is a complete syllabus from the quant section point of view for the CAT exam. So 5 main bracket: arithmetic, modern maths, which is dirty quant as well, geometry numbers, time, speed, distance, time and work, PNC, and algebra. These 5 topic combined will be either 26 questions or 34 questions depending on which 2 hour paper or 3 hour paper. Okay. Every topic is worth 1 or 2 questions. Okay, that's the complete syllabus. It's humanly impossible to cover up all the topics, especially if you are from the weak area. If quant is your weak area, yeah, some of you are good in math, some of you are good in verbal. So everybody is going to be bad in some of the area. If you are bad in the quant section, you don't feel like studying this, and I get this kind of question every day. Fine. So I am giving you a beautiful way to motivate you for your quant section. Here I've compared 2 hours ka paper and 3 hours ka paper. So let's assume 2 hours ka paper only. 99.9 percentile is 63 marks, 21 question correct. 99 is 42 marks, which is net 14 question correct. 95 percentile 10 question correct, 30 marks. 90 percentile 24 correct, 24 marks, 8 correct. And 80 percentile is 6. If quant is a very weak area, provided you are good in the other 2 areas, minimum percentile which I recommend target should be 8 question correct, which is 24 marks. Fine. Provided, of course, you do well in the other 2 area as well. And depending on which category you belong to, otherwise 80 you can also target, 95 you can target, but otherwise 90% is a good target. You have to target the way you want to target. It's totally your wish. Right now, to be on the safer side, if you target 95 percentile is the best thing to do. Now, how I try to motivate you is saying that if you get the IIM calls, IIM Convert, SPGen, FMS, all the top colleges, you are going to get a salary of 20 lakh. It will be above than that, CTC, this and that. Let's say 20 lakhs. Now, if you do 10 question correct, 20 lakhs divided by 10 question correct, you are getting 2 lakh per question. So maths ka each question is worth 2 lakh. यार 2 लाख रुपए के लिए तो we can solve यार. And look at other way around यार. Out of 26 question, you have to do 8 question correct to clear the cutoff. Or best case 10 question correct. So 10 question correct out of 26 question. This is very less cutoff yaar. That's it. That's all you have to do. Fine. How much you scored in your 10th class? Do you remember? I got 76 percentile in my 10th class. 76, 80, whatever is your percentile. 10 question correct out of 24 is approximately 38 percentile, 38 percentage, 40%. If you get 40% marks, you're getting a call from IIMs. Yeah, SPGen, JBIMS. In case if you are able to achieve this target, you can do well in the other exam as well and MAT-SNAP. So I'm assuming across the exam, 10 question correct. So 10 out of 26 is 40% marks. Now let's look at the syllabus. Now everything sounds doable. Can you crack the CAT exam? Yes. Can you get 10 question correct? Yes. Can you do few of these topics? Yes. And that is your target. This is a way I'm trying to motivate you. Again, there's a lot of ifs and buts into this. कि ये करना है, वो ज़्यादा करेंगे, कट ऑफ इंजीनियर्स के लिए ओपन कैटेगरी कट ऑफ ज़्यादा है, दिस है, दैट है. मुझे नहीं सुनना. I don't want to go to that side. I want to stick to the fact that if you clear that number, you are getting the call from IIMs. All right. So we're launching our program from this Monday. So in case you want to attend our demo lecture or do want to join the program, you can just call the number given here and my team will be happy to help you out. All right. All the best. So this is the way I want to motivate you by taking the numbers. I know बहुत comments आने वाले, this is बहुत घटिया सोच है, ये है, वो है. भाई, this is one of the way to motivate. You want a motivation from the profile. This I already made the video on that. But this kind of a motivation always work for a lot of people. 2 लाख रुपए का एक क्वेश्चन. So whenever you don't want to solve maths, boss 2 लाख रुपए मिलेगा हर क्वेश्चन का. And that's a fact. Another fact is, if you do 5 question correct, for example, you are getting 80 percentile. And 80 percentile if you get, you'll get an average salary of 10 lakh. So 5 question correct, you are getting a 10 lakh का salary. And 2 लाख एक बार नहीं है, 2 लाख हर साल मिलेगा for the rest of your life. Okay, that's the best motivation I can give you. All right. Same way, I'm going to make the video on verbal section as well. Later on, quant, DL or logic and verbal. All the best. Meeting centers are now open. So in case you want to attend, the workshop is happening tomorrow in Thane, Goa, Pune and Nagpur this week. So please call the numbers given here and you can attend the workshops. We are also launching our CAT 21 program. So in case you want to join the program, this Monday we are launching our new batch in which we will be covering up the full syllabus, 150 days to CAT 21 and CD 22, 21. You can just call the numbers here. And if you want to attend the demo lecture, so we connected demo lecture for quant, verbal and DI logic. So please call the numbers in case you want to attend the demo lecture.